Okay, we're all cleared out, ready to go. Just need to take up that bit of flooring there out of my way. But yeah, here's the rest of the cables. The telephone, there's one running off down there into the far bedroom. There's two of them already cut off because they were over this side. One was running straight out, the other was running down to one of the bedrooms at the back. But yeah, just thrown in there. Two of them are coming from this pile, wrapping around this beam and coming back out. I think that one running off there is actually the line in from the box at the front of the house. Of course, you saw this before, it's the lights. That one runs off down there. Good question where it goes. I haven't traced it yet. It goes in here. Yeah, it's going down to the light. That's in the main bedroom. Of course, it's running under this, down into the other bedroom. And coming back out. This is the switch. Lovely loads and loads of slack as per usual. This baby here is coming down. That was a socket. Top of the hallway in the sitting room. Again, yeah, going off back up there. So, yeah, trying to get some more done. Have a new run. That's my new run of socket cable there. And, that's not the route it's going to take. It's coming from there. Just, all the stuff was all here on the floor, so I need to take up this flooring. And this cable is going to be going across and in and back down this way. Going down here. Black. That's like I left on it because there's another socket to go in behind the TV and satellite in the main bedroom. And she's looped in then into the other bedroom there, and then back to the panel, which is just there. Okay, time to rip up some floor and see what else I might find. And where's it gone? Can't find it now. Shoo! It was under something there. But I was saying earlier that none of the cables were tacked down in the original wiring. I was actually slightly incorrect. There we go. There is one cable tacked down. Now, that's coming from the light switch. Yeah, more to follow.